Today, what we will do is we will see about normalization and how we can create relationships and all. Okay. Uh, Before doing normalization, I explained this schema, right? Snowflakes, star schema, and snowflake schema. Do you remember what is star schema?
Yeah, so in star schema, we have a fact table surrounded by different dimensions table.
Dimension tables. Okay.
So in the
In that
fact table,
structure, now we are going to normalize it. Okay. Uh, First I will remove, we have some null values, right? So I'm removing it. Now I have the data quality. Okay. Now what I will do is I am creating some IDs. I will create that. Let it be index column. I want to start it from 1. Let it be sig ID. Let me move this. Okay. Like this. For country also, I want to create an index. Let it be CID. And for product also, I'm creating it. Let it be PID. Okay. Now what I will do is from this table, let me duplicate. And what I will do is I will remove other columns. Okay. So let it be, and I'm renaming it dim segment. Okay. In same way, I'm duplicating let it be dim country. And here I'm keeping only product. Let it be Tim product. Okay. And here, what I can do is uh, think like I didn't have this ID columns. Okay. If I want to get the IDs from each column, what I can do is I can go to the merge queries. If I click on merge query, let me select a dim segment and I want to merge it by segment. Okay. It will create one column. I want to expand it and I need to get it the SID. Sorry. One thing I missed here. Sorry. Uh, I didn't remove the duplicate, right?
Yeah, it should have unique values only.
Yes. So I'm removing the duplicate values and I don't want to. What I will do is okay. I will remove it and I will add it newly. Now if I go and check it here, uh, uh, let me rename it as I'm selecting that SID. Now if you see here, for government, we are having the index 1. Wherever government is there, you can check it, right? I'm having only 1.
Right.
So it is properly having correct values. Nothing, okay, like this for each table I will do that. Let me remove this column and remove the duplicates. Let me add the index column. Let it be CID. In same way, I will do it in product also. and here I will merge it. You can understand, right, what I'm doing it?
Yeah, so basically, we are actually using the mapping cardinality.
Sorry, Javed, your voice is too low.
Yeah, so what I'm saying is, we are actually having the index column in each dimension table, and we are taking that reference in a finance table, financial tables.
Yes.
So it's a basically left join that we're doing.
This is left join. In merge, sorry, I missed to say that in SQL, how we are having left join, right join, full join, and inner join. In same like we have this in our merge queries. Left join means all the matched and unmatched from left table. This will be treated as left table. First table will be treated as left table, and the second table it is an right hand side table which will get the matched values only. Same right join means matched cell from matched and unmatched from right side table, and only matched rows from financial table. Okay, inner join means in both of the table we will have only matched rows. Okay, you know that join concept, right?
Yes, I know that. Yeah.
Okay, and here for this country table, with respect to country column, I am creating it.
So Karthik, when we say fact table, so fact table always have foreign key columns along with some numerical columns, right?
Yes. So this will be your foreign key,
Hmm.
and this will be your primary key. And
Hmm.
here this you will have all the master values, all other columns. Okay, if you want, you can hide. Now I don't want the segment, country, and product because I have the ID, right? So
Yes. Hmm.
if you wish, you can reduce the columns also. Got it?
Right.
Usually in databases, we will be having like this only. When we will refer the main value from the primary keys only. If we do the join operations with the two tables with financial and segment, we will be getting what's the value for one, what's the value for two. Okay. And what can I do still? Okay, that's all. We we it's look like our normalization is done. Okay. Now what I can do is I will close and apply it. Just a minute. It will take some time to load it.
So Karthik, one question.
Yes.
Uh, we are actually going through this concept of normalization here, right?
Yes.
So earlier we had only one table, financial table,
Mm,
and it has all the details like segment,
mm,
product,
mm.
everything, right? But it was in one table only.
Yes.
So when we introduce this normalization, so how does it impact on the performance of the data model?
See, what will happen is uh, now we introduced before it doesn't have any index column, right?
Right.
Now we are having the index columm. So whenever we do any filtering in backend, the query will be developed. It will be fetching the values, right? In basically, if we have index column, we can retrieve the data very fastly, right? That's why that is the purpose of index column.
Hmm.
You know the purpose of index column, right?
Right.
So we are redefining the data. Okay, that's why if you when before this data we seen the analyze, right? Let's
Hmm.
see. I think it took 700 milliseconds or something. I'm nearer to 500, I think. Let me check whether how it will be. What I will do is in legend I will add this, and then let me add this. Okay. We have you can see, right? Yesterday you remembered it shown near
700. Hmm.
now it is 346 only.
Correct.
Can you see the difference, right? How it is
Hmm.
increasing the
Hmm.
performance.
Right.
Think see, now we are having only minimum rows only. Think if we have lakhs and lakhs row means surely this will be a vast difference. Maybe minutes it will change the minutes into seconds also if it is lakhs and lakhs, right? That's why
Hmm.
to check our performance, they've given this option optimize. Whenever you are developing, you go and check it. Okay.
Hmm. So it actually, means normalization concept is something that helps us to optimize the performance of the data set. Can
Yes,
we say that?
yes.
Hmm.
That is called modeling. We are modeling the data. So now our data is in standard format. That's why we can able to see this much differences. Okay. That's why I said before doing uh, starting to work on visuals, go and correct your data. Okay.
So Karthik, we already merged these tables with the
Yes.
financial table, right?
Mhm.
Means we have a connection between segment and financial. Also, we have connection of product
Mm.
and country tables with the financial tables due to that index columns, right?
Yes.
So can we say that connection means in the data model, is there any
See,
joint automatically created or we need to manually
I
create
will
that joint?
next topic is relationship only.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Now we are done with our data modeling. Okay. After you can see, right here, this is a report view, and this is table view where we can see our data preview. Okay. And if you want to add any measures or any additional columns, you can create it from here. Okay. But what they were to keep the performance high, whatever you need, try to have it in your Power Query editor itself. If you check in any of the Power BI forums, how I can increase the performance, what they will say in everywhere, they will say reduce, try to reduce the measures, try to reduce the additional columns. That's what they will be mentioning everywhere. That this 2 points will be there. Because why they were saying it, yesterday I shown the Power BI service, right? There, our data set will be here. Our data set is there, right? So now what if I publish, what it will be there means, what we done in Power Query, that will be saved as a data set Power BI service. Okay? So whenever we are doing the refresh, that data set will be fetching the data and it will give the data to the Power BI report. And then that will consider like that is the first loading. And the second loading will be whatever measures we are created, whatever conditional columns we are created, that will be loaded. And third only, our visuals will be loading. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
if you avoid this unnecessary creation of measures and conditional columns using DAX, and you are whatever you need, you are preparing that data in the Power Query itself, you can avoid that second loading. Surely it will increase the optimize, right? Because you are skipping one step itself. It is possible to create there also. It is not like you can create only in DAX. If you try, surely you can create it. In some scenarios, you can have it. If it is not affecting your performance, you can have it in measures and conditional columns. Okay. And the next one is our relationship. Here you can see, right? Sorry. What I will do is I will arrange like as I yesterday I shown the diagram, right? In same way I am trying to arrange it. I want to keep my financial table in middle, and around that, oh, okay, let me collapse this. Then I can easily see it every table. Okay. So you can see, as I said, Power BI is an intelligent tool, right? So Power BI will automatically detect the relationship. If I click on this, you can see, right? The two columns has been highlighting. This is the
Mm.
relationship created automatically.
Okay.
Okay.
So
If
we
it
need
is
not
not
to.
created, what you
So
can
Karthik.
do? Yes.
So here we need not to define any kind of mapping cardinality like one to many, many to many.
Yes.
It
Yes.
will
Next,
automatically set it, right?
uh, everything it will automatically set it. I will show that. Just a minute. Okay. You can see, right? In financial table, in dim country, we are having many values. But in dim country, we will have only one values. So the cardinality also defined automatically, many to one. It is correct only, right?
Yeah, yeah, that is correct.
And you can see we have cross filter direction also, and it is kept as single. Okay.
So
Uh,
what is that? Cross filter direction.
that means data will be flowing in one direction. Here it is showing the direction, right?
Ah, okay, arrow. Hmm.
That means data will be flowing from dimensional table to fact table. Why means, see, if I filter in country, mean see here I tried to develop the that's why I removed the country column here. If I have the country column here itself, what I will do is I won't use the columns inside this table. Directly I will use it here, right?
Yes.
And also, see, if I'm having this, I have the ID, right? I okay, I added the country and I added the some values. If you see here, now this from two tables I created one visual. So if I filter any one of this, what will happen is it will be filtered here. Okay. For example, I think Germany is, as an value. Okay, Canada. Just a minute. Just a minute.
No problem, Karthik.
Canada has the value 1, right? So what will happen is filter will be applied here and same filter will be applied here also. Okay. In country. So we if we created that visual using sale price means this will be using the aggregation function sum, it will be calculated and it is showing here, right? So the data flow is from dimension to fact only. You need to keep the data flow like this only, not like from fact to dimension. That's why and also you can see here we have another option like both. If you keep this both, what will happen is it will create circular dependencies. What is circular dependency means? Data will flow in both the direction, either from dimension to fact or from fact to dimension. So whenever you are dealing with aggregation functions, at that time maybe it can show irrelevant values. That's why in Power BI, they what they will suggest is right. Don't use this cross filter as an both, which will make circular dependencies. Try to use it as an single. Okay. This and all. See, when we are if you are going to land the SQL or MS SQL in MS SQL, if you are going to learn MS SQL, there we have some predefined logics, right? We should not omit that logic. If we omit data, the behavior of data will be not in normal way. In same way, we have some logics here. We should follow that. Okay. Some standards are there. So what Power BI will do is it will try to read the data and it will understand the data based on its standard. It will create it. If it is not in standard, that time it won't create it. We need to go and analyze and we need to create it. Think like if this relationship is not created, what we need to do is I need to drag it and let me expand this. I need to drag and create like this. And I need to, here dim country is the first table. So here I have I have only one, Canada will be in only one row. So here I have many values for each value. So this is 1 to many. And I need to keep the cross filter as single and I'm creating it. Okay. You can see this also, right? 1 and this is many. And this is
Right.
data flow direction.
So Karthik, so when we set cross filter direction as a both instead
Mm,
of single,
mm.
so in which scenario we should have that both selected?
That what they were suggesting is if it is both, try to change it to single. Don't keep it as both. You need, that means your data, if you didn't done the normalization,
Okay. Hmm.
that's what they were suggesting. Don't you use the circular dependencies.
Right. Means we always select only the single cross filter
We need to
direction.
avoid it.
Hmm.
Okay, because in some data maybe uh, if you are going surely if you are going to handle maybe like 10 tables and like and data volume is higher in in your business requirements, you will have that in both the tables you will have many to many relationship. When you are having many to many relationship, surely it will create circular dependency, where it will be
Right.
the cross filter direction will be like both. That's what they will say. If it is many to many relationship, try to analyze the data and change it to one to many or many to one. So when you change that cardinality itself, it will omit the uh, circular dependency by keeping it as single.
Hmm.
Not you will go and directly deal with this cross filter direction. If you,
Right.
whenever it is in many to many, surely it will be in both only.
Hmm.
But what you can do is if you can't avoid the many to many relationship, try to make the data flow direction from any one of the table. Okay, we have this single option for many to many also, right? By
Hmm.
default it will be in both. At that time, go and check to go and change it to any one of the table. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Got it.
This is many to I don't want to save it, I will cancel it. Okay. uh, Now you understand the relationship concept also, right?
Yes, Karthik. Yeah, I
So
understood it.
like this, uh, you need to do the data cleaning activities during the transform data, and then you need to normalize your data. Once your data model is ready, come and check with relationship. Okay. After this 3 step only, you need to go and create the visuals. Okay. Before that, don't touch this visual section. Okay. Now our data is very much good. What I will do is I will create some visuals. First, I will create some headers.
So Karthik, what are the steps that we keep in mind before designing the visuals? First thing is load the
Transform,
data, transform the data,
load the data, transform the data, clean the data,
clean the data,
then
then
normalize the data,
normalize it.
then um, create a relationship between data tables.
Mhm.
Then only you need to create
Right.
visuals.
Mm. So yesterday you had told me regarding the components, right? So
Power
component is
BI.
also Power BI components, yes.
Okay.
So they also follow the same steps, right? First is the data source, then the model, Power Query, then the model, then the visual.
Yes, that first data source. We are loading the data. Then I I think I have that Excel. Okay. Then Power Query. In Power Query, we will do the data modeling, right? In data modeling itself, creating the relationship also. Okay. Then only visualization. Okay. And then service layer means sharing the reports. After creating the visuals, we need to share with end users, right?
Got it. Mm.
This will be the architecture for all the reports, whatever you are developing in Power BI. This will be the architecture.
So these are the standards we need to follow in every use
You need
case,
to
right?
follow. Then then you will be an correct data analyst, right? Data analyst is not simply creating the visuals. They were redefining the data. They were bringing new logic in the data. See, before seeing it in one table, surely you won't get any ideas. After segregating like this, from this itself, you will get some ideas. I can create some visuals based on countries. I can create some visuals based on product, like that in segments. So this table will, with use of this transactional values, I can show the comparisons, right?
So Karthik, I can see one column says band. So
Sorry.
band, we can band,
Yes,
uh,
yes.
discount band.
If
So
you want, you can omit that also.
uh,
You can have it in any of your maybe discount band can relate with product.
products. Mm.
So you can add it in your product table also.
Mm.
Okay.
Or even we can keep it separate dimension table.
Separately from discount, you can create a relationship to product, and from product, it will be connected to the financial.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
That will be look like snowflake schema.
Snowflakes,
Now it
yes.
is currently in star schema.
Mm.
In general, yeah, if you are in star schema itself, it is fine for you. More at least we need to have star schema in for our data. Okay, like this, whatever column you can omit it. Even I have a date, month number, month name, year. I can have this. I can have date table itself separately. right? Then if after that, if I come and see it here, only I will have this value. I will have this value column only, right?
Okay, you mean to say whatever the date columns are there in this financial table, we can keep them separately.
Yes,
Ah, okay.
it is up to you. You can define uh, up to the core level also. It is if you i- but if you do the if you do like pro level, it surely it will increase your optimizations. Okay, in most of the reports, uh, at least you need to meet some basic standards. If you follow that standards, it won't affect the optimizations. Okay.
Hmm. Agree.
Okay, now what I will do is I added one I inserted one shape, and if you see here, uh, if I select my the visual, I am getting the screen, right? Here I have two options, shape and general, right? If I want to change it with any of this shape, I can change it. If I want rounded corners, let it be 25. You can see, right? First it was in sharp corner. Now it was something changed. Okay, like this you can format it. I don't want any rotation action. What I will do is I will add one title here. Let it be finance data. Okay, I do some formatting to the text also. I will change the font as Arial Black. Arial Black itself, bold. Okay, and let me align it to middle. Sorry, I don't want to keep title. Let me, where it is, in style, I will have text. Here I will add it. Okay, I will keep it as Arial Black. Already it is aligned and in vertical also. And if you want to give any padding, you can give it. What I will do is I will increase the font size. Let it be 24. Okay. Now what I will do is uh, see here we are having so many visuals. Bar chart is there, pie chart is there, funnel chart, area chart. So many things are there, right? Even AI visuals like key influence, decomposition tree, question and answer, narrative. So many things are there, right? We should know when to use which charts. Okay,
Mm.
uh, that thing only I'm trying to explain.
That always confuse me when to select which visual.
Yes, I will here. There will be one example itself. That's what I'm trying to show you. if you want to see that example also, what you can do is in your existing reports, go and change the data model, do the normalization, and for that normalization, come and check with same visuals. You can see the difference. In look itself, it will be changed. See, some business people in UK will use some terminology. In US, they will use some terminology. In Australia, they will use some terminology. But nowadays, before 5 years only, no one knows about this power platform and all. At that time only, we felt so many difficulties to understand their requirements. Nowadays, all the peoples are started to use, even business people started to use the Power BI concepts. So they were explaining, but I don't know in your case whether if they have some experience, they in Power BI perspective itself, like measures, additional columns, like that itself, they will be explaining it. If they don't have any experience, what they will say is simply in requirement gathering and all, it in data analyst role, it will not happen like uh, actual application development. Simply in one email, they will be saying that I need to showcase some data. This will be your data source. So you need to start to work. In one line, they will be finishing it.
Right. Right. Mm.
Even see, for when we are working with Excel or VBA or this, even with this Power Platform, they won't explain much. But if you nowadays, now only the peoples are starting to work in agile approach for this developments also. If it is in agile approach, we have a sprint zero where we will clearly define the product outcomes. Based on that product outcomes, we will be defining our story points. Right?
Mm, mm,
You
mm.
know the agile approach,
Yeah, miss. In my work, we didn't use the agile, but few of the terms I know it, sprint and everything.
right?
Yeah.
If they follow the agile approach, then there will be you won't feel much difficult in during the requirement gathering and all, because they uh, maybe you are a team member. Surely there will be a scrum master will be there. Okay,
Mhm.
so he can uh, guide both the product owner and also uh, the team member you. In between, he will be there. So he can translate some of the requirements also, because his role is he need to split the one line requirement into various number of story points.
Mm, mm.
That is the work of scrum master.
Got it.
Okay,
Mm,
so what in for that one line statement, what he will do is he will go and examine the data, and he will make some notes like the from that data we understand this is an financial data, and it is having this many columns, and in that this columns are one group, this columns are you need to group it. Okay, that means why we are grouping it is we are doing the normalizations. We have product information, we have segment informations, we like that you need to split it. So we can showcase this type of data, So maybe in sprint 1 you will get the product summary. In sprint 2 you will get the segment summary. Like that, you can classify your work and your output also.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
If they will explain the data, then there will be no issue for you. But surely they won't. If they are from very very high level, surely they won't explain. Simply they will send an email, and we need to analyze and we need to understand. And even if we do like the like product as a separate report, and we are breaking the data very small steps, it is up to them. They need to satisfy them. That will be a big deal.
Let's see. Let's see. So once we
But
have
if
the
you don't
project at
follow
the end,
the
yeah, we'll,
if you
we'll
don't follow the agile approach, try to not like in direct way, don't ask for agile. You convert it as an agile. What and all you will follow the agile in agile approach. Try to follow with them. Don't like we I how I'm I, how I am saying is, for example, you need to gather the requirement. Usually that will be happening in sprint 0. What you can simply say is, I had I have some ideas about the data. Can we set up any meeting like that? If you send an email, surely that will meeting will be happen. At the time you can explain it, and you can clearly whether they also expecting the same or not. You can have some idea on that. After that you can go and you can give the project timeline also. Before setting that meeting, analyze your data, keep with your ideas, and with the timelines. So this will be like informal agile approach. So they also know this time you will be getting the they will be getting this type of reports, and it will take this much time. If we directly say come to agile approach, they surely they won't. Whatever modifications we are seeing, uh, the people are in high level, they won't understand. They
mm,
won't take up our points. So what we need to uh, we need to approach, but we should not say that key terms. Instead of you can do like this also.
okay,
Did you
no
got it?
worries.
What I am trying to say it?
Yeah, yeah, I got to your point.
Take this, and also let me take this. Just a minute. Let me load it. See here, what they were saying is, it is no wonder not this effective visuals. See here, they they were having some data, and what they were asking is, they need to uh, whenever they were opening the report by single view, they need to understand what it what the visuals are saying. Okay, they need to simply compare the business unit revenues. They have business units like wearables, TV, tablets, speakers, like this they were having it. So think like I'm having this visual, and you are my manager, and I'm showcasing this to you. Whether can you understand anything from this?
Mm, not completely, but I can see variables,
Mm,
high care views, which are having those are in good numbers.
okay. If I scroll down only, you can able to see the baby cap.
Baby care view, yes.
From this, can you able to get the which is high, which is low?
Not exactly because they are not in a sort order. So if I
Yes, yes.
make them
It is
sort,
not.
then
That's what I said. It is not only correctly fixing the visual, picking the visuals. Even though you are using the right visuals, but you didn't format that visual, no one will understand, right? So we need to pick the correct visuals, and we need to correctly format it. This is like what they in Power BI they will say is storytelling. Storytelling means if it needs to explain by itself, we should not go and explain it. Okay,
mm,
by
mm,
seeing it, they need to know uh, which is high numbers, which is low numbers. We are yeah, we are doing we are trying to show some comparisons, right? So that comparisons needs to be shown in right way. Think like if it is like this means everyone can understand, right?
yes.
Baby care is the giving the high number revenues, and in TV they are getting very low revenues. Okay, that means maybe why it is getting what the business people will think is uh, um, some can think like we need to show more progress on TV, or else what they will do is from next year they can remove this TV, they can show more care on baby care itself to increase its revenue by double. Already it is getting, and if they show some additional progress, it can earn much more revenue also. So they can also get some ideas, right? That is our role. We need to understand the data, and we need to bring better ideas from that data. So from this, everyone get the ideas, right? Some ideas. Okay, that's what it is. Not only picking the right visual, it is showing the visual in right way. Got it? And
Mm,
here
mm.
still we can in this visual also, uh, if they need what they usually the business people will speak is, you need to show them in right values, in exact values, right? Every time they will ask what is the numbers. If it is
Right.
high means what is the
Mm,
number, if it is low means what is the number.
yeah.
I don't care. They will simply say like, I don't care about between things. Just give me the exact value.
Mm. They concern about the numbers only.
numbers only. So we need to enable the data. We need to show it in, even though we are showing it in pictorial ways, we need to show the numbers here. Okay, they we can say like if you go and click the mouse, you will get the numbers. They won't like that. Without clicking it, they need to see it. Maybe in any of your card values or in any of your visual, you can design like that. If I click this, it will take you to another screen or somewhere else where it can show the uh, by product level. Maybe some people will like that. Some people, I don't. I am not interested in clicking. I need to see it whatever here itself. So this and all basic things only, but we need to take care. We need to handle these things and all. Got it?
Got your point.
Whatever visual you are selecting it, you are doing the data modeling activities and doing the formatting means surely it will be giving the nice look. Even you picked the wrong visual also, somehow it can explain some data. Okay. See, we are having so many charts: bar chart, column chart, line chart, area, pie, donut. Yeah, we are having card visuals. We have table and matrix and scatter charts, map charts, and AI visuals, decomposition, um, key influencers, narrative, question and answers. Okay, so you need to understand some basic things like just a minute, just loading. See, when you want to compare some things, you can show it in bar chart or column chart or in pie chart or donut chart. Okay, so you need when you need to select bar chart and column chart and pie chart and all, when you are doing the comparisons, which is higher, which is lower, like that comparison you need to do means you can go with this type of charts. Okay, just a minute. Oh, again it is struck. So when you are doing comparing the things in value level, you can go with bar chart and column chart or pie chart or donut. Okay, and if you want to compare with trend level, like based on months or based on some time periods, you can use line charts and the area charts. Okay, like this here we are comparing with month level. Maybe if we want to see revenue on base in month level, we can select any of this. And here itself they were mentioning some don't do this. Let me open that. See, they picked the right chart, but anyone can understand from this.
No, the x-axis is quite messy.
So whether we need to change show it in some other chart or we need to reduce the data points. These are the data points, right?
Right.
Whether uh, maybe uh, if think like if any this and all what it is saying, milk bars, manukani, fruit and nut bars, drinking cocoa, choco coated. What I can do is I can split the data. Maybe candy as one table, drinks as another table. From this, I can understand it is the data volume is very huge.
Hmm.
So I can break that data into smaller table based on products. So what I can do is I can split the reports. This is drinking report. This is bar report. Or else I can have some any buttons. By clicking that button, this visual needs to be changed. If I click on bar, it needs to give only bar information. Like that also we can design it. But don't do like this. No one, it is no use. If you
Hmm.
create any visuals like this, no one will going to understand anything from this. Even though if they come and interact, we should not think like they anyhow if they come and click here, we have the tooltip. In that tooltip, if we are explaining also, that is not in good way. They we need to say by without interacting, they need to understand. Okay.
Yeah. So more points means more confusion there.
Yes. See, and when you are having here also, when you are selecting the bar chart and having only small values also, try to avoid it. Don't show it in bar chart. Either you can show it in pie chart. Even if it is small value, that small value will be equally distributed, right? For example, here Australia, Canada, and India. Think like that. And if it is having value range year 8, year 6, and year 3, if you are showing it in pie chart, that 863 will be equally distributed, and it will be uh, when you are viewing it in pie chart, surely that look will be different, right? Australia will be consumed more since it is having 8, and very next to that Canada will have 6, and very next to that India will have 3. So you can avoid if it is having small values. Even though you are showing the comparison values, we have another chart which is pie chart or donut chart. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, this link will be helpful.
And here it is say right contributions. It is also showing for comparing the things, but equally it will be showing in contribution level. That means that Australia, India, and Canada value will be uh, equally contributed. It will be like considering in total 100 percentage, 80 percentage is Australia, maybe sorry, 40 percentage is think like 60 percentage is Australia, 20 percentage is Canada, and remaining 20 maybe India. It will split the data values into an equally contributed values. And also, when you are having so many data points, don't go with bar chart. Go with bar chart. See, because in pie chart, if you load so many data points, you cannot see it. You can see, right? Here it is showing the data value. Here also it is showing the data value. But here it missed, right?
Hmm. Right.
And here also. And here. See how many values has been missed here. In by simply viewing it, we cannot see the. We need to explain whatever we are showing it. We need to explain it clearly. Okay. What they were calling it, calling what terminology they were using is rainbow. If you are adding so many categories in pie chart, it will look like rainbow. So many colors has been adding, right? Okay. If you want to show any single values and like KPI values and all, or any message, you can use card visuals. We have card visuals. Maybe if you want to show the total sales, means what is the total sale amount, you can use this card visuals. Okay. uh, and when you want to show entire data, you can go with table and matrix. Okay. Matrix is like pivot table. We can show the aggregate values. We can do some aggregations like this. Here they were showing some sales values, total sales by country and also by product. And this is normal table. You can see, right? The normal table will be like this, and if matrix table will be like this. You can use matrix table for showing the aggregations. Okay.
Hmm. It is very similar to pivot tables.
Pivot tables. Okay. And map and all showing geographical data, right? And see, you think like you are having the data values with and it will be changed according to the two dimensions. That means maybe if you are having total sales and number of orders, you if the number of orders is higher, total sales also will be higher, because this from this from the scatter chart and all, what they will analyze is they will analyze the relationship between datas. They can understand if total sales is lower, that means shipment also is lower. And if you see, when total shipment is increasing, total sales also increasing. So if you want to compare with with any of the two values or dimensions, you can go with XY chart. Maybe in you can see, right? It is like one maybe at any point you will get any straight line like this here. It is it will explain like gradually increasing. Okay. And XY are great for exploring relationship, but remember the golden rule: correlation is not same as caution. What it is saying. see, when we are having any date values and all, there we will have the play access option. So it will look like when the page was first loaded, you can see. I will load it. Before that, they what is correlation? Caution. That's what I mentioned, right? Somewhere it will the straight line will be created. Yes, a trap that is easy to fall in, confusing correlation as caution as analytics. It is our job to see the data as it is rather than caution that doesn't exist. It's Sam. Just a minute. Let me the reports. See what they were saying is in this chart. Uh, Maybe they by understanding this chart they can get different questions also, which may be not related like different understanding. This chart is explaining about age level, uh, how many people are having the account, and also it is there has been some SIDA score. So what it is, that's what they were mentioning, correlation and caution. Correlation is what we are trying to explain. Caution means the data can give another types of questions also. So from this chart they were understanding that if if the number of accounts is increased, SIDA value also getting increased, right? That's what they were explaining it here. BCG also compared financial inclusion, the percentage of individual aged 15 or over with a bank account, again each country SIDA score, revealing a clear relationship. The report author found that that countries with higher financial inclusion generally had higher well-being than their peers at a similar income level. Now it is easy to misunderstand above chart and come to conclusion. If you provide bank accounts to everyone in a country, then countries SIDA score will improve. They they can get wrong calculation also. So we need to, as an analyst, we need to be frame the question correctly. Is it like this? Is coincidence that countries with higher well-being naturally have bank accounts for everyone? That's what here they were mentioning it as correlation and caution. So when you are going to deal with XY plot chart, just check for this correlation and caution also, whether you can get any different questions also, because when we are going and presenting, we need to we may get the end user may can get different perspective, and they can ask different questions also. That's why it is not like we should not use XY plot chart. It may, if we need to think as a data analyst, we need to think in all perspective. What type of questions and all they can ask. If they ask, what we need to answer it. Okay. Here it is with scatter chart, we can do the animation like this also if you are having date values. Okay. Any doubt, Javed?
Uh, yeah, means this
I will.
correlation thing is something we have very lessly used. But most of the time we use bar chart, pie charts,
Pie chart.
trend lines, means line charts. So
Anyhow,
correlation
I
is
can
something which is very it is not oftenly used.
oftenly used. See, it is not like we need to pick this visual or that visual like that or that. Whatever you, that's what the first point I explained. That thing you can select whatever visual you need, but you need to convey the informations correctly. It should uh, seeing it in itself. It needs to explain all the things. You need to sort it, or you need to give data values. You need to give if the data point is more, you need to reduce it. Just it is like increasing the look and feel things only. If you are showing the in good way, surely everyone can understand. So with that you can avoid this kind of confusions and all. Okay. Here we have
Right.
waterfall
Mm.
chart also. It is like between time period, you want to track whether it is increased or decreased. uh, for that and all, you can use waterfall chart. Okay. Here they were having the total sales, and they were checking between January, from January to August, they were checking, and in categories they've added the products what they were having it. So from this January to August, uh, the dark bars have the profit, and the remaining things and all it went down. So if you want to compare from one point to another point, you can go with waterfall chart. Okay. And I think and see what they were saying is, don't forget to add the title, subtitle, legends, labels, and tooltips. This and all will increase your look and feel of your reports what you are creating it. Okay. If you set the title, it will be like this. This one is let me select that one. Great title and highlight. Okay. See, the difference between these two things is, it is general title, sum of amount by country. Here what they did is, maybe in behind they've used tags, and whatever we are clicking it, based on that it will show Australia as the most sales, followed by UK. We are customizing the titles. We can
Oh,
have like title like this also.
okay. Okay.
That this is storytelling, right?
So how we can get that Australia name there in the title?
I will show that. Don't worry.
Okay.
And also they were saying that create the tooltips. But here the tooltip was, see, they were showing the tooltip in the way of pie chart itself. If it is like this, means surely it will increase the values. Okay, this so you can understand, right? It is not like picking the right visuals. It is also format the visuals. Whatever you are picking the visuals, you need to format it,
So this
right?
waterfall model chart
Mm-mm.
is. Are you really using it in business to show something through
See, not
waterfall?
in my experience, I didn't use waterfall at
Yeah,
all.
because even I didn't see anywhere where waterfall model was a part of the dashboard.
Simply, what we will do is with bar chart, line chart, I used the area chart, pie chart. Maybe I used decomposition tree, the AI visuals, key influencers, narrative. With this itself, we will be completing. See, maybe this is some organization website, right? And someone written the article. If we add so many points only, they will come and add it. For uh, for first time learning, you can use it. Maybe when you are getting any new business requirements, and if it is matching with this, means you can use it.
Okay, okay.
But anyhow, it is not like we need to follow this methods. You can design in your way itself, but basic thing, whatever you are developing the visuals, uh, you need to follow the how you are formatting, right? It should by seeing itself, it should everyone should understand that one basic thing we need to follow. That's all. Don't overcrowd the data.
Hmm.
Don't skip the sorting and all. Don't skip the data value. Don't skip the don't create any visuals with titles, without titles, without tooltips. If you follow this, surely your reports will be in good way.
So
Got it?
what is the key influencer? What it does?
See, the key influencers like uh, for example, here we had seen that bar chart and cocoa like that, right? Maybe uh, we are having different products. In that product, which one is impacting more? And if you click on that product, it will give maybe it can give by month wise, like that we can create it. Did you got it? What I'm saying is, see here in this bar chart, you can see this bar is having the more revenue. right? In same way, in key influencer also, this will be at top level, which act as, that is the key influencer.
So can we say that it is similar to bar chart?
Similar to bar chart, but uh, it will be like in this structure. You will get one line. In that line, at the end, you will have that circle option. If you click on that circle option, it will give more details on that.
Hmm. Okay.
Like comparing only, but in that comparing, which makes high impact, that will be highlighted. That's what that visual name is kept as key influencer. If you are having in your team, you are having 4 members. If anyone is performing well, what we will say? He is a key influencer, like that. We will give some name, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
Because key influencer, maybe he can guide entire team, because that key influencer, uh, company value will increase. So in this as I explained in this data, dark bar is performing well. So which is impacting the company's growth, increasing the company's growth. So to highlight who is the key influencer, you can use this chart. It is same like bar chart, but in bar chart, it won't explain that much. It may like from if you are keeping it as from sorting it low to high to low also, here you can get more details. I will show it when we will be seeing AI visuals. This is an AI visual. That's why in bar chart, it will not explain, but in key influence chart, it will explain more, because in backend it has some AI features. This key influencer, this decomposition and question and answer and narrative, this and all AI visuals. Okay. Behind that, some AI algorithm is there, which can go and analyze the data, and it can explain when we are using it in visuals. For that and all, we won't do anything. By understanding the data itself, it will explain the data. Got it? That is the difference between bar chart and key influencer. We will see it. Don't worry. When we are completing the basic things,
Okay. Okay. No worries. So as of
when
now, we are simply discussing what are the visual and when to use it.
yes, and in our next class, what we will do, we will use this basic visuals. Okay. Then in next immediately we will see the AI visuals also. Okay. Then we will see how we can share it. I will explain that concept and all. Then we will see the integration part.
Okay. And one question, Karthik, regarding the gateways. So in my company, I don't think they will allow me to install the gateways, but just to understand how it works, can I install the gateway on my personal laptop?
Yes, you can use personal gateway. There has been two gateways, personal gateway and enterprise gateway.
Okay.
So
So on my personal laptop, I can install
you
that.
can install it.
Okay. Just to understand how the gateway works.
What it will do is when you install it, uh, after installing it, if you come and check in, yesterday I shown in Power BI service, if you click on any data set you are having it, come to settings. In settings, you will have the gateway option. What gateway you installed in your laptop, that will be listed there itself automatically. After the installation, I'm saying.
Okay.
After installation, it will be mapped, because that exe will be automatically, anyhow, you will be having Power BI desktop. You are having Power BI desktop means the program files in program files, Power BI desktop will be created. Power BI desktop folder will be created. In same folder, that gateway also will be located. So when you are going to Power BI service, it can able to see it. Or else the mapping, it will be already done when you are publishing it. So that time, with that, you can select that particular gateway. Whenever you want to refresh, you want to schedule the refresh, and every day if you want to schedule it, since it is in personal laptop, if you are scheduling it for 8 a.m., that on that 8 a.m. your laptop should be in on status. If it is off means, surely the refresh will not happen. That's why they were keeping the gateways in server, because we won't turn off the servers, right?
Right.
If gateway, it is in on condition only, then it can refresh the data. If server itself, it is in off condition, surely your gateway also will be in off, so it won't perform.
Okay. Okay.
Gateway, it is used for when we are doing the refreshes, not at the time of creating and all. After creating, we will be published and we will rescheduling it. Maybe on daily frequency, we will refresh the data, or weekly or monthly, right? So at the time, if that refresh should happen means, that thing gateway will handle it to bring the current data based on the scheduled time. Gateway will do that work.
Okay. Understood.
That is why it is called as an bridge between data source and
Data.
Power BI.
Okay. Let's see.